Hey everyone, it's Jess from Later, and today's YouTube video is all about Instagram Reels content ideas. 5 of them, to be exact. This video is great if you're new to Reels or if you've just been lacking creative ideas or inspiration. These 5 ideas will surely help you start pumping out that Reels content. All right, the very first content idea for you to try is to add photos and videos to the beat of a song. Now, this is super trendy right now. I know that trends come and go quick. Like by the time this YouTube video is out, there will be new trending songs, dances, sounds, all of it. I know that, but this trend is evergreen and I think it'll last long enough for you to try it out and to see success with it. It's super easy. You basically, like it sounds, add photos and videos to the beat of a song. You can edit this in Instagram, but it is quite a bit finicky. So I recommend downloading an external app like InShot, Splice, or Beatleaps by Lightricks. And in those apps, you can get really specific with your timestamps and actually intentionally put the beat to the photo and video that you're adding. There's a lot of resources out there that actually give you specific timestamps to specific songs. So this video isn't gonna go too in depth into editing, so I'm gonna link a few resources for you below. So the second Reels content idea is to share tips and tricks with your audience. Now, no matter your industry, you have information to offer your audience. So give the people what they want. Maybe you can look at your comments, your frequently asked questions, and your DMs and see what people are asking about and offer them this information in a reel. You can package it as a dance or standing and pointing. Like we've all seen the videos that are like, so you don't have to package them that way. I think a lot of people are scared about trying Reels because they don't necessarily want to dance or stand and point. And I'm here to tell you that you don't have to do that. You can, and there's nothing wrong with it, but I know a lot of people that's a bit of a worry for them. So you don't have to do that. You can talk to the camera face to face. You can share videos and use supporting on-screen text, or you can do a voiceover. There's a ton of options, and this is a really easy one to jump on. The third easy content idea is to share behind the scenes content. Audiences love to see behind the scenes content. Like, for example, here's some behind the scenes content of me filming this YouTube video in my living room at home myself. I could turn this into a reel. Should I? Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. But a lot of people share behind the scenes content on their Instagram stories, but stories last about 24 hours, whereas a reel has a much longer shelf life, especially because Reels are known to go viral months, weeks, days after the original posting date, so much longer shelf life. It's super easy to jump on this idea. Just film some short clips of behind the scenes stuff. So maybe it's packaging orders, your at-home office, real talk with your audience. The options are endless and it's very easy to do. All right, the fourth content idea is to share a mini day in the life vlog on your Reels. This one is really fun and probably the most simple one out of all of them. All you have to do is, pick a morning, an afternoon, an evening, or do it all day, and just take mini clips of your day. And then at the end of the day, put them all together, add music, additional text, and voila, that's it. And if you have a team, you can bring them in on it and you can have them film behind the scenes and mini vlogs of their day, and you can make it into a series. The fifth and final Reels content idea is to introduce yourself and your brand. Remember that Reels are typically shown to a cold audience on the Reels Explore page, so it's always a good idea to give a refresher and let people know who you are, what you offer, why they should follow you, or why they should purchase your products. And it's also just good to give your current audience, a refresher about who you are and what you do. So this idea works across the board. All right, so those are my 5 easy content ideas that I think you can jump on today. If you are looking for more, I've outlined 10 more in a blog post, so I'm gonna link that for you. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and obviously I can't talk to you live right now, but I would like to open up the conversation just about Reels in general in the comment section. So do you have any pain points with Reels? Are you enjoying them? Are you finding success in them? Or are you just getting started? So many questions, and I'm gonna pop in and be lurking and joining in on the conversation. So leave your comments. See you later.